Hello out there again in crypto land. We have Tenx making a move. It's a little extended in the move from where we'd like to purchase it, but it is making a move nonetheless. I just wanted to point this out. There's some people wondering when to get in. I still think you can get in here in Tenx. I don't know how much longer this is going to be. However, we've got three large volume bars here. This first large volume bar is actually a selling bar. Some people were selling there, but it was immediately rounded up over the past little bit, and now we broke well past that bar, no real problems. Volumes increased there. It's starting to increase on the average just based off these three bars, and I think we're really going to see some acceleration here going forward. It's probably not going to jump up into the $14, $15 range, but it's probably going to jump up into the $11 or the 11 range or so, consolidate a little bit below these highs. That would be ideal before it continues upward again. But you never know what these things may do, but you have to keep your eye on the ball, you have to keep your ear to the ground, and you have to make sure that you are buying these when you need to buy them, and you need to give them a little bit of time. These names are starting to get known, and people are starting to buy into them and selling when they see an opportunity. But Tenx, it appears, I don't see much selling in this chart. We obviously are going to see some selling in these downturns off of the tops. That's just common sense. The price is going down. You're going to have some selling volume, but it's not crazy. And other than those big pops to the upside, where we start that consolidation, we don't see any selling. We have low volume right here, and the thing is just running. It's running right now. It's doing really well. Tenx is a small enough market cap that it probably doesn't have a ton of institutional support. They're probably still building their positions, which is why we see these nice formed curving patterns, curving up, consolidating, curving up, consolidating. So this could be another one of those. You may get a nice big pop here, consolidate, then run up again. So let's play that out here. Let's just draw this for you again. We get a nice consolidation and a pop, right? And then we get another pullback, and then we get a large uptrend. So same thing could happen here. We get a nice large little round pop, get a little shakeout to get the weak holders out, and then boom, we could continue upward. This pattern could happen here. This pattern could, now that I'm just drawing trend lines for fun apparently, this pattern could happen up here more. Come on, get out of here. So this could run up to here. Maybe it tests one of these highs instead of this high. Maybe it keeps going over the next couple of days, gets up here, then consolidates again, shakes some people out, some weak holders, some people that bought a little high, and then boom, maybe it continues upward again. I mean, that would be ideal, to be honest with you. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. All we can do at this point is kind of play devil's advocate. We can have a little bit of conjecture, we can guess, but what's actually going to happen is anyone's guess. All I can tell you is that we have increased volume right now. We have this support level, this resistance level, which was broken to the upside, became support. It was tested and bounced. This level was tested and bounced again. We have a small little higher consolidation area right here, which is really nice. And then we see a little bit of increased volume. And then now we're going to the upside. So I think this is very strong. I think Tenx is one of those names that in time will be a much larger coin. If you're not familiar with the technology, what they do is they create a credit card, debit card type of product that you can actually spend cryptocurrencies in the real world. It's just coming, it's not even out yet. It's fledgling technology, and there's some people that are going to be doubters, there's some people that are going to love it. I'm in the love it camp, not in the doubt it camp. These technologies are going to be the ones that are going to take cryptocurrency into the mainstream at a much faster pace, so they're going to be valuable. So Tenx is one of those coins, and if you notice, yeah, this is Monaco. Monaco is another one of those coins that does the same thing. They have a debit card, credit card based technology that you can use for your cryptocurrencies for real world purchasing. So you can take something and you can buy gas with it, you can buy coffee with it at Starbucks, but you're going to be paying with Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, some of these cards accept any EC20 token. So it's going to be really valuable, and you're seeing that in these price appreciations. I mean, Monaco just basically doubled here in the past few days, and we've been waiting for pay to break out, and it looks as if it's possibly doing that. So we're going to look for, I would love to see this thing double up to 20 in the next few weeks. I think that'd be awesome, fantastic. And we're still a little bit early. I think just since the start of this video, it's jumped a little bit. So if you're not familiar with pay, if you are new to pay, if you haven't seen it before, or if you've been watching it, here's your call to get in at a pretty decent level. All right, guys, good luck. Happy trading.